Welcome to the world of dump cakes. For today's dump cake, things are getting a little boozy. I'll be making a rum raisin dump cake. Let's make it. Grab a baking dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. I need to melt a stick of butter. I'm sprinkling 2 tablespoons of that butter in the bottom of that dish and spreading it in there. Next, dump in a cup of raisins. Beep, 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 beep. Dump. Next, I sprinkle on a half a cup of brown sugar. Next comes a cup of applesauce on top. Next, I'm going to pour on a boxed spice cake. Next, I'm going to drizzle on a little rum over the whole thing. I'm going to sprinkle on a little oats, followed by the rest of that butter. I'm going to bake this at 350 for about 40 to 45 minutes. Rum raisin dump cake. Here it is. Let's try it. The raisins are soft and terrific. And the rum, it's definitely coming through. This is a wonderful dump cake. I love a good dump.